Assalamualaikum creative people, how are you? I am Tanvir Masood from Play Basic. Today in this video I will show you RGB gaming keyboard unboxing and review video tutorial. Before that I tell you, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and click on the notification icon so that every video to get updated. So we have a great tutorial for today. Let's get started to another brand new unboxing and review video tutorial. Okay, I can explain why I can choose this RGB keyboard Cosmic Byte. Number 1, this is product is their minimum low cost value for money, so anyone can buy this product. Number 2, is their keyboard inbuilt material cased with aluminum body, so that is heavy and long time lasting for daily user. Number 3, Cosmic Byte has inbuilt 7 RGB backlight color effect. This is my favorite feature in this keyboard. You can apply 7 RGB backlight color which on your favorite color, and keyboard so look nice, just awesome. Okay, let's get started to unbox and what are the something inside the box. Okay, প্রথমে put this keyboard. Wow, this is amazing. This is one hand stick for safety typing, or this is one user manual, so you can learn features, product details and warranty summary. Wow. Okay, fine. I am showing how to change RGB color effect in this keyboard. Before that, I am showing light setup is off for better looking. Wow, looking so nice. Now press and hold on FN function key, then press 1. Is there default light effect in this keyboard? Now change number 2 effect, press function key and hold it, then press 2. That is the second effect in this keyboard. Another 3, press and hold on function key, then press 3. That is the third effect in this keyboard. Now, then again press and hold it function button, then press 4. This is the fourth effect in this keyboard. After that, hold on function button, then press 5. This is the 5 effect in this keyboard. You can also change on single color, then press again function button, hold it and again press 5 button. Then again press 5 button. Then again press 5 button. So that you can try all effect in this keyboard. So I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up my video and comment, share, also subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, take care. Khuda Hafiz.